Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2015 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive TRD Pro. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, step rails, deep tinted privacy glass, and much more. 18-inch TRD Pro alloy wheels, all-terrain tires, the bull bar, the LED light bar, daytime running lights, fog lights, and a strong 8-cylinder 4-wheel drive with only 44,979 miles. A power rear window, a locking tailgate, the tow package, a step bumper, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders and under-seat storage. The front row leather-trimmed bucket seating, cruise, AC, a locking glove box, outside temp, door bins, a large center console, a tilting telescoping steering wheel with convenience controls, the easy-to-use multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.